I'm going to be using right here this charcoal basket. You can see the briquettes in there are Cowboy brand hardwood briquettes, all natural. Now, the reason why I'm going to be using these briquettes still is because the first time I've used this basket right here, I poured in all the briquettes, leveled up this high, and then it did great. No issues. I did not have to apply any more briquettes. So another cook, I used this for the second time, the charcoal basket. Same briquettes that were left over from the first cook. Did that cook, and now this is what's left of that second cook. So this will be the third time using this charcoal basket and using what's left of the briquettes from the second cook. So I'm going to see how long this briquette will last in here. I'm going to be cooking some bone-in country style ribs. Yeah, so I mean, this hardwood right here, briquettes from Cowboy brand, they've been doing pretty good. I'm really impressed by them. So I'm going to see if that will last the cook, and not sure how long the cook's going to last, but you know, hey, when the food's done, that's when it's done. And then if I have to add more briquettes, I'll let you know, but let's get it going. I got me right here, Weber cube. Shake it off a bit. And I'm gonna go right in the middle, just like the other time. Get it right there. Just like that. All right, when it's ready, I'll bring it back. All right, just gonna clean it off a bit. Let's get that off. All right, now these are meaty. Now they're cut right off the butt. Flip it this way. All right. Are they all gonna fit? Actually, I'm gonna move this one because this one's real thin. This one doesn't have a bone in it. Just like that. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. Pretty good, right? Beautiful. So I'm gonna let it ride. I'm gonna get the temp around 250. It goes 275. I'm good with that. So yeah, let's get to cooking. All right, where's it sitting at? 246. So that's what's looking at the top of the vent. So we're about an hour. I want to see what the charcoal looks like. Yeah. Still looking good. Still looking good. After an hour, the food looks like it still got quite a few more, maybe 2-3 hours to go. But yeah, so this is what I'm more concerned about, to see what it looks like after the cook. So this is the third cook that I'm doing, using the charcoal basket with the briquettes that I dumped in here the first time I used that charcoal basket. So yeah, so it looks like. So I'm gonna let it ride, keep going, and then I'll bring it back. All right, it's at 268, temperature of the kettle. So this is 3 hours in. I want to see what the briquettes look like. Yeah, still looking pretty good. You can see on this side right here, they're burning down a lot more. Then you still got this side where there's still some good amount of briquettes that are still unlit. But yeah, they're getting there. But look at that. Man, don't they look nice? And they're not done yet. They still probably got maybe an hour, maybe two. But yeah, look at that. Pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, so I'm gonna let it ride and let it keep going. Yeah, it's starting to burn up a little more now. They got some more oxygen. Yeah, looking beautiful. So let's continue on. It's 4 hours and a half, sitting at 262. All right, so 262. So that means that, you know, the briquettes are still burning pretty good. So let's check it out. Damn. All right, yeah, now we're burning down more. On this side, it's burnt down a lot more. On this side, you still see some briquettes that haven't been lit. Not a few of them, but, you know, it's burning towards that way. So, yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. This is the third cook with the briquettes that I applied whenever I did the first cook with this charcoal basket. So look at that. And I gotta tell you, they're done. 4.5 hours. Oh yeah. Look at that. But hey, that's pretty good, right? 4.5 hours right here. Man, it probably could last another 2, maybe 3 hours more. Oh, it's Cowboy brand. Charcoal briquettes, hardwood, man. They don't play around. All right, well, I'm gonna take this food off, let it rest, and then I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on what just happened in this video. Yeah, so this is what's left. Yeah, so there's still briquettes left, but yeah, it's not gonna last that long. So after 3 cooks, 3 times using this charcoal basket and using the briquettes that I first poured in for the first cook, when I used this charcoal basket, yeah, so it lasted me 3 cooks, and this cook right here was 4.5 hours. So I gotta say that Cowboy's brand briquettes, the hardwood, man, they're pretty good, because that's the charcoal briquettes that I used. I did not use any other briquettes, just the same ones that I first poured when I first did the first cook. And then when I went on to the second cook, but briquettes were still left, I used. And then after that cook, the briquettes that are used, I used for this cook. So yeah, I gotta say, the charcoal basket and the briquettes, the Cowboy brand, they're legit. I mean, I don't know what other charcoal baskets for the Weber Kettle that can do that. You know, this is the Onlyfire brand of charcoal basket. So, but then, you know, it's also about the briquettes that you use, which brand that you use. And those Cowboy brand, it's legit. It's doing a pretty good job. Just look at that, what's left. So yeah. So what do you think? Pretty good job or what? I mean, I have not refilled it yet or nothing. I have not applied any other charcoal briquettes to it. Like I said, the first cook that I did, second cook that I did, now this third cook is using what's left over from those previous cooks of the charcoal briquettes. So That's pretty good, right? I mean, Cowboy Briquets, they're legit. And then the charcoal basket, you know, and yeah, so just looking down at it, it did its job. It did its job. So, you know, whenever you come in, whenever you want to do this and you have the same charcoal basket and you want to use briquettes, then you know for sure that you can do this. And the temperatures I always cooked it at was 250 to 275, just so you know. But I'm impressed, and this is legit. Well, it's time for me to eat. You saw the food that I cooked. It's time to grub now. So, as always, thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Smoke on, everyone.